What's going on, YouTube? You know what time it is. This is Alex from MotorLife.com. I know, long time no see. Had some stuff I had to deal with, but finally got time to get out to the garage and build this skadoosh. And you know what time it is. Let's get in here, see what's going on here. If you don't want to miss out on any of my other videos, don't forget to subscribe, throw up that thumbs up button, like this stuff. Let's get in here and see what this thing really is. Alrighty guys, so if you've been following my channel for any amount of time, you know that I've been working on this bike, this frame, for almost 2 whole years now. And it's finally, little by little, I built it ground up, kind of everything the way I wanted it, and then that engine came along. Just so we're all on the same page right now, some of you actually don't know what you're looking at, and some of you do, and you're freaking out. Yeah, that is the Barba Racing CNC Case Reed Dio engine, that huge 26 Mikuni carb, dual spark head. That is the big mark right there. And you can see this is actually one of the only CNC American made engine kits like this that they offer. And not gonna lie, this one did actually come from Rob. This one of them he gave away in one of the raffles, I think. These retail for about $1,100 if I'm not mistaken, and this one came to me pre-built, so I'm not too sure what it looks like on the inside. It does produce a lot of power, especially on the top end. You can see they did plug up that hole there, which is an intake hole, so all of the gas is actually going straight into the case through that Reed valve there. You see, and a lot of people asking about this paint, and I'm going to tell you a secret right now. You can actually go to AutoZone right now and go buy that out of a rattle can. That's actually called Galaxy Blue by Rust-Oleum. Awesome color shift. I mean, you see it does all sorts of different colors in there. And I mean, that took me about 6 cans to do at 15 bucks a can, but you can achieve something like this. Now, this was going to be my show bike, and I noticed really quickly that the acrylic enamel that I was using was not 100% gas safe. So this became my daily rider. And now I'm getting this engine all ready to go actually for a customer, and I've noticed a couple things I don't like on it already. It does actually have a 32mm mount and 6mm mount studs, which I'm very concerned about those shearing off, and I'm going to be drilling those out to M8 as soon as possible. All right, I know I'm going to hear a lot of comments. How fast does it go? I'm not really going to get into how fast it actually goes. It goes fast. I will give you some bonus footage of kind of a couple of attempts of a top speed test, but so. So, and also, I did hit 5,000 subscribers, you guys, so thank you. None of this could be possible without you. So I'm going to go take this beast on a ride, kind of through some of the nice winding roads back here. Alrighty, you guys are going on the chest cam, so be safe as always. Let's see what this bitch can do. And I do know it needs to be tuned a lot. But we'll get all that figured out. I know I need to sweat out the jet in that huge carb. It's getting too much gas in some points, not enough. It won't really idle unless it's got the choke semi on. It's got a little bit of issues, but we'll get all that fixed. Alrighty guys, getting some gas. I don't know if you remember the hyper build I did for Adam, my friend. He went and kind of took his own thing, made it a demon. Thing pops wheelies very easily. Went ahead with the rear tank because the top tank kept breaking, but he's taking care of that thing. So we're about to go on a little ride, see what these two things got. As you can see, I've been having a blast on that bike. You're going to be seeing a lot more of this thing, a lot more of this engine, mainly because I'm pretty sure that engine is going to be going on this beast. We'll get into a little more of that on another episode, but thanks to ZetaMotorsports.com, I did find a video of the inside of this and a dyno video too. So before I get out of here, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe down below. Stay tuned, a lot more coming. Let's see what this thing looks like on the inside.
So we turned it up. Your max horsepower so far is 5.10 8100. It stops pulling right at 8,000 is really what it is. I think that's just jetting. I think we ran slam out of fuel at that point.
Unaware